Welcome to our channel. A network-attached storage system provides centralized storage for your media files, backups, and documents that can be accessed from any device on your network. Step 1. Choose your NAS hardware, either by purchasing a pre-built NAS enclosure from brands like Synology or QNAP, or building your own using a small form factor PC. Step 2. Select hard drives based on your storage needs, using NAS-specific drives designed for continuous operation, and choosing between traditional hard drives for capacity or solid-state drives for speed. Step 3. Determine your RAID configuration to balance storage capacity with data protection, such as RAID1 for mirroring or RAID5 for better space efficiency. Step 4. Install your chosen NAS operating system, whether using the manufacturer's software or open source options like TrueNAS or Open Media Vault. Step 5. Configure your network settings by assigning a static IP address to your NAS and ensuring it's accessible from all devices on your network. Step 6. Set up user accounts and permissions to control who can access which folders on your NAS. Step 7. Create shared folders for different purposes like media, documents, and backups, organizing your storage logically. Step 8. Configure automatic backup schedules for your computers and devices to protect your important data. Step 9. Set up media server software like Plex or Jellyfin to stream your media collection to any device. Your home NAS is now ready to serve as your personal cloud storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.